will demonstrate you how to install JDK. In order to install JDK, open Control Panel option from the Start menu. From here, open Add or Remove Program icon. Add or Remove Program window will appear. From the left pane, select Add New Program option. If you are installing JDK from CD or floppy, then click on CD or floppy button. A wizard will open. Click Next to continue. It opens the required software path that to be installed. Choose JDK setup file for JDK installation. Click on Open button. After that, click on Finish button to begin the installation. Here, system is preparing to install the required software. First select Accept the license agreement and click on Next button. Select the required option and click on Next button. Software installation is begun. You can check the status on the screen. JDK has been installed. Now close the control panel